Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your standard mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to the Google browser and then search for Standard Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the official page of Standard Mortgage Corporation. You can see on the right hand side there is a eStatus Connect option. Click on it and click log on to your account. This way it will lead you to a login portal where you can log into your mortgage account of Standard. So you can see the login portal, click on the username and click password. Now write down username, write down your password and click login. This way you can successfully log into your Standard Mortgage account. If you don't have an account yet, click register and you can create a Standard Mortgage account for yourself. If you are having any kind of problems like you forgot your username or your password, these two are the links you want to go through from which you can retrieve back your username or reset your password again. This was a video on how you can log into your Standard Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.